Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering off your camera and computer before connecting them. Use a USB 3.0 cable about 3 meters long to reduce tension. Power on the camera and launch Nikon NX Tether on the computer. In the app, select the camera model from the device list and wait for a confirmed connection message. Set the camera to manual or aperture priority for predictable exposures. Disable the camera sleep timer and image review to prevent disruptions. Choose NEF or JPEG image quality in the camera menu before shooting. Enable Live View in Nikon NX Tether to see real-time composition and focus. Use AFS for still subjects or switch to manual focus for precise control. Set exposure parameters on the camera while watching histogram and preview on screen. Configure the app to save images to a designated capture folder on the computer drive. Choose NEF for maximum editing latitude or JPEG for smaller files and faster transfers. Turn on auto import or tether tagging if you need instant organization during a session. Keep spare batteries and consider a powered USB hub for long sessions. If frames fail to transfer, stop capture, reconnect the cable, and restart Nikon NX Tether. Turn off camera wireless features when using USB tethering to avoid communication conflicts. Set the computer to prevent sleep and disable antivirus file blocking for capture folders. Use a short cable clamp and camera strap to reduce torque on the port. Regularly back up the capture folder to an external drive during multi-hour shoots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.